Did you know the food and beverage industry uses just 20 to 40% of its total production capacity? The main reasons for this include unstable production, limited flexibility, and constrained performance. But it doesn't have to be that way. Tetra Pak Services is fully equipped to help you every step of the way. Our genuine parts are designed and tested to deliver the best performance in the industry and can be delivered whenever you need them, wherever you are. With more than 330,000 items available through online and easy flexible ordering, our e-business solutions are the convenient and time-efficient way to secure your parts supply. With our equipment maintenance and training offerings, we help you take even better care of your production equipment to minimize the risk of downtime and potentially predict failures before they occur. With our digital service tools, you can also connect staff throughout your operation, across shifts and between plants, and even enable on-the-go training. With connected workforce from Tetra Pak, you can share best practices and solve problems faster, even across plants through multi-site collaboration. You can also enable anytime learning with our digital curated content by Tetra Pak. Our skills development functionality allows you to track individuals' expertise in real time. Continuous learning can help you secure increased uptime and smarter production. Whatever your operation's size or wherever you're located, take your production to a new level of performance through best-in-class virtual or physical offerings and proven expertise. Tetra Pak Services, your key to boosting productivity.